Well, the firefighters, EMTs, and paramedics from Mount Hope, and now they're at the forefront of a global pandemic. When the Fayette County Health Department needed volunteers to do the swabbing for their drive-through COVID-19 test, the Mount Hope Fire and EMS team answered the call. NewsWatch reporter Anna Saunders introduces us to some of the team members who are putting their own health on the line to get answers for the community.
The coat does, it points up, and you gotta have to pay it. It's the closest thing we get to going to the gym, right?
I mean, definitely in the back of your mind, you're like consciously walking towards somebody that might have COVID-19, and you're putting yourself out there, but we have the right PPE. We go through a 20-minute decon process, and everybody checks each other before we go into any of the hot zones. You feel pretty good. You just gotta wash your hands a lot more.
As first responders, they're trained to adapt. But in unprecedented times, it's been quite the learning experience for these Mount Hope EMTs and paramedics, as swabbing someone for a contagious virus was not part of their skill set until last week. But they've accepted the challenge in stride, knowing they have to keep calm as they know their patient is much more nervous than they are.
We try to talk to the patient and let them know what we're doing and kind of help them kind of count down as this is happening, because it's not a comfortable procedure. And it doesn't help that we're all suited up, and it's a very different kind of environment.
And in this very different kind of environment, they are also tasked with making sure the swab gets to the tube with only one thing on their mind.
Don't drop it. Don't drop it and don't touch it.
The EMTs and paramedics switch places throughout the day, 2 on swabbing duty, while the others are responsible for paperwork, flu tests, and making sure the right tests go in the right places. While this might seem stressful and terrifying for some, they're grateful for the experience and call it a privilege to gear up and lend a helping hand.
For the health department and Fayette County Emergency Department to recognize that we have this capability and we can help and we can be here, and to want us here is a really good honor.
Reporting in Fayette County, I'm Anna Saunders, NewsWatch.
The first responders and the Fayette County Health Department tested 15 people today for COVID-19.